Hey everybody, my name is Mike and welcome back to The Short of It, quick short videos that give you a high-level overview of content, providing you with enough to get started. In today's video, we'll be using a heat press for sublimation. We'll be using Siser EasySubli HTV as well as traditional sublimation paper. So let's get started. Let's start with traditional sublimation paper. Like mentioned in my heat press video, the temperature will need to be set to 400 degrees with the duration set to 1 minute. For today's demonstration, I'll be using spare pieces of fabric. Before pressing your design, I would suggest running a lint roller over the area you are pressing, just to be sure it's free of any debris. From here, you'll want to press the surface for a few seconds to get out any wrinkles that could ruin your image. If you're pressing something you plan on throwing into the washing machine, I do suggest you wash before you press. Once your surface is prepped, you will take your design and place it face down. If you are wanting your image centered, there are a few tips and tricks you can try, such as using a marker to indicate the center of your heat press mat, pressing your fabric in half to determine the center, or just eyeballing it. Once you are happy with the placement and the heat press has reached 400 degrees, you will lay down your protective paper. I'll be using parchment paper. You will then pull down on your press for 1 minute. After a minute is up, you will pull up on the heat press and remove the sublimation paper from the fabric to reveal your design. For Siser EasySubli HTV, you will follow the same preparation, but will want to set the temperature to 315 degrees and the duration to 15 seconds. Now I'll be using two designs here to demonstrate that there are two available options when pressing HTV. If the design is one single piece, you can simply peel it off of the backing and lay it directly on your surface. If the design has multiple pieces to it, then an HTV mask will be needed to keep the image together when bonding. As far as I know, the Siser mask is the only product that will stick to EasySubli HTV. I have tried Cricut transfer paper as well as spare sheets of EasySubli, but none of these options have worked for me. After your image and surface have been prepped, you will place your design face up on your garment. Once you're happy with your placement and the temperature reaches 315 degrees, you are ready to press. Now, if you are using a Siser mask, you will not need to use a protective sheet since the mask will do that for you. However, if you are not using a mask, then protective paper will be needed. After the 15 seconds are up, you will pull up on the heat press and remove the garment. If you did not use a mask, simply remove the protective paper to reveal your design. If you did use a mask, you will peel off the mask at an angle to reveal the finished product. Unfortunately, the mask cannot be reused as ink from the image will transfer. In my next video, I'll be demonstrating how to create a custom-made t-shirt from start to finish using everything I've covered up to this point. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, be notified when those videos do drop. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. As always, I am Mike. This is The Short of It. See you next time.